Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Veronica. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I bought for my daughter's very first Easter basket. Before we get started, I need to let you know that I am so excited because today's video is in collaboration with Melissa Sakuma, a friend of mine here on YouTube. She is the mama of the cutest 22-month-old boy named Toby and is expecting her second son, Harry, very soon. She makes the most motivating cleaning and organizing videos and even has some tasty recipes over on her channel. She has even more motivating content on her Instagram. Make sure you check her out there as well. She is doing a similar video today showing what she got her son for Easter. I will link her video in the comments, so make sure you check her video out when you're done here. With that being said, let's get started. To start off, this is the basket that I chose. This basket in particular is from Pottery Barn Kids. It comes in 2 different colors and 2 different sizes each. This is the larger of the 2, and for the life of me I cannot think of the name of this basket because they have multiple different baskets to choose from. However, I will link it below for you. I am waiting on the bunny liner that is going to go inside. It's pink, it's got floppy ears, and on one of the ears it has her name embroidered on it. I liked this basket because of the size. I'm really excited because it'll fit a lot of different things over multiple years. The quality on this is amazing, so even though it's a little bit on the pricier side, it's worth the investment. I actually picked this up on the 40% off sale, so I recommend keeping an eye out for that before purchasing it because I do know Pottery Barn Kids can be a little bit pricey, but for the money it's definitely worth it. So the first thing I think about when it comes to Easter are the stuffed bunnies that I always got in my basket. So I wanted to make sure to get her a stuffed bunny. Now originally I was going to just do something tiny and I got her this little bunny from Target. He's $3.99. I know that I saw him on the website not too many days ago, so you could definitely pick this one up and get him shipped or pick it up at your local Target. But then, after shopping a little bit more, of course before isolation began, I was in TJ Maxx and I found this one. And I loved the big floppy ears because they make that crinkling noise that babies absolutely love, and he was only $5.99. So for $6, I thought the quality of this bunny was actually much better than the little bunny I found at Target. So just something to consider. I will try to find a similar bunny to this and link him down below. I know it's not easy to find the same exact products when you find them at TJ Maxx and Hobby Lobby and Marshalls and things like that. So I will link that below. And finally, on the stuffed animal front, I got her this red Triceratops. Now this Triceratops has special meaning to us because I have always loved Triceratops dinosaurs, so I'm apparently inflicting that on my daughter. This will be her 4th or 5th one. I think I'm losing count. So I just figured this was just too cute to pass up, and I figured it would be good to add to her basket as well. Now, most people put the paper basket filler or that plastic Easter grass at the bottom of their baskets. Unfortunately, I have a cat that will eat anything that is plastic, so I have to be really careful, and I can't put that stuff inside of baskets anymore. We learned the hard way. So instead this year I'm going to use this Infantino Balls, Blocks, and Buddies 20-piece set that I picked up at Target. I figured this was a good way to fill the bottom of the basket and give her something to play with that will help with some of her sensory experiences, as it says here. So I think this is really cool because it's got different shapes that are easy for her to grab. They are easily able to be disinfected, so that's really good. So I thought this was a really cool idea. This set is actually only available at Target, but you can pick it up online, and I will link that below as well. Yeah. Hey guys, sorry about that. I had to go get the baby. She was getting a little fussy for daddy. I think she's getting a bit hungry, so I'm gonna rush through this second half real quick and get her fed. So this and the next 3 items are actually from Amazon. I got her these stackable rings. They're from STEM Learning. It says that they're textured for great for mouthing, which is great because she puts everything in her mouth, don't you? As well as good for hand-eye coordination, and the center post is designed to stack the rings in any order so they don't get as frustrated, which is good. The next thing I got her was this little Nibbles carrot teether, which I thought was very fitting for Easter because, you know, bunnies eat carrots. And that was adorable, so I grabbed that. She is full-blown in teething mode. She actually has her first tooth, and she loves to pull my hair. Huh, baby. Hi, baby. And then the last thing I want to talk about is this little board book I got her. It is called Hippity Hoppity Little Bunny, and it is a finger puppet book, so I can stick my little thumb in there and make the bunny move, which I hope will catch her attention. And it seems to. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what we put in my daughter's Easter basket for her very first Easter. We are so excited, aren't we? We're so excited! If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe for more mommy motivation and lifestyle content. And lots more of this little one right here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! If you like videos like this, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button for me and check me out over on Instagram. My handle is @xoveryveronica.